My name is Isaiah Foster, and I go to Washington State University. I would say one of the biggest things is definitely getting to work with really smart people who I can learn a lot from on a daily basis, as well as just working in a DoD culture and kind of getting an actual immersion in that as opposed to just hearing about it, as well as working on projects that are actually impactful and have some meaning in the world rather than just be a project that's just set out for interns to do or whatever. Like, we get to work on cool stuff. I think I've gained a lot of knowledge of how a team really works within an organization and how you can be an effective part of that team and be a leader for the people around you, which I think is something really valuable compared to just going through college and hearing what you think it'll be like versus actually being there. So I think that going into jobs in the future and applying to jobs in the future, I'll really have a better understanding of what people expect from me and what people need from me, as well as a lot of technical skills. All of the things that we've worked on have been really impactful for me. If you're applying somewhere, I would really recommend understanding what you want out of it before you really apply and before you interview, because I think that when you talk to an employer and you seem like you have a level head and you know what you want out of something, they're really going to be impressed and they're going to remember you. So I definitely say don't just apply because it's something you think you should do. I would apply with a purpose. Make sure that you're really applying yourself and really getting something out of it so that you're not just spending your time, you're really building connections and learning about what you want to do with the rest of your life.